Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito bottle. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh mint leaves, crisp white rum, zesty lime juice, sweet simple syrup, and bubbly club soda. Make sure everything is nicely chilled for the best taste. Also, grab a clean, airtight bottle that's ready to hold your delicious concoction. This preparation ensures a refreshing and convenient drink experience. Now let's craft the heart of our mojito. Take about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves and gently muddle them directly in your bottle. This releases their wonderful aromatic oils. Next, add 2½ ounces of fresh lime juice, followed by 2 ounces of simple syrup for that perfect sweetness. Finally, pour in 5 ounces of your favorite white rum. This creates a concentrated base, ready for later enjoyment. Once all your concentrate ingredients are in, securely seal the bottle. Give it a gentle shake to ensure everything is thoroughly combined and the flavors meld beautifully. This concentrated mix can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days, maintaining its freshness. Don't forget to label your bottle with the date you made it. This helps you keep track and enjoy it at its peak quality. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade mojito, it's super simple. Grab a glass and fill it with plenty of ice. Pour in about 4 ounces of your prepared mojito concentrate. Then, top it off with approximately 3 ounces of chilled club soda for that delightful fizz. For a final touch, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wedge and a sprig of mint. Cheers to your perfectly bottled mojito.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.